Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I was just proof watching my video as usual, and I found the culprit of the skipping video from a couple weeks ago. It's definitely my phone. So from now on, I'll be trying to stick to this camera. So the winners of the giveaway, winners plural because 3 people actually guessed it right. Kyle Rogers gets all 3 of them for guessing first correctly that 1 is a wave, 1 is a volt, and 1 is an NB. Aaron Pollard will also be receiving a mystery disc. So Aaron, once you see this, message me on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Whatever you want to do, just contact me. And lastly, Jeremy Davis also guessed it correctly. So I'll be getting you a disc, Jeremy. And Kyle and Jeremy are both locals, so I'll just give you guys your stuff when I see you. All right, so today's video, we're jumping into the 2022 Ice Bowl. It's snowy, winter storm warning. The conditions progressively get worse throughout the video, so it should be very entertaining for you guys. Second thing, there's music behind most of it. I talk every I talk maybe like 5 or 6 times in the video. The music is to drown out the crinkly sound. We put a bag over the camera to protect it from getting wet. And in hindsight, it was a terrible idea. It saved the camera, but it made this weird little crinkly noise the whole time. So you'll hear it when I talk, but otherwise you'll just hear music. I probably won't do a formal outro to this video, so thanks guys for watching this. Thanks to my sponsors, Plastic Addicts MVP and Paragon, and hopefully you enjoy some snowy disc golf. Let's jump into the video. Alright guys, we're here at the 2022 Ice Bowl. It's obviously snowing a lot. Tee pads are all snowy. Nate's all snowy. We're playing 27 holes today. And yeah, we're only playing in a twosome, so yeah, our group dropped out the first time, our move tee time, so we switched 2 hours behind our normal tee time. And then our group dropped out again 20 minutes ago. So we're stuck here playing as a twosome. So you guys hopefully enjoyed this round in the adverse conditions, and we will see what we can do for you guys. So we are through 9. We're definitely struggling a little bit. at 4 down. It's very windy and very cold. We're gonna try. This 18 to 25% power. Not even joking.
What brings you guys out here today to play?
Well, we've both been members of the Peoria Frisbee Club for over a decade now, and it's a great event that supports the Midwest Food Bank and the City Church Food Pantry in Pekin. So we're out here just for a good cause, and we just love playing disc golf.
How long have both of you been playing?
Myself, 10 years.
Yeah, I'm almost 20 years this year. It's kind of hard to believe.
What attracts you guys to the sport? What's so fun about it?
Every round's different, and the discs they all have different flights, so it's similar to golf how you have different clubs, but you can manufacture your swing more in disc golf than you can in golf, so you can be very creative. It's cool to watch that.
What was your favorite time to play?
Thank you. So we're officially out of winning, at least, barring double aces or something crazy happening. Unfortunately, our tee time got moved up a little, like 2 hours, and the people leading teed off at like 7 before it started snowing. So it's just the way of the road, I guess. And we're literally in the middle of a winter storm warning. But we're gonna look at it as if we get around second place. You know, that'll feel like a good W. I try to just push forward and see if we can put up a score somewhere like 14 down, 15 down. That would be solid. And we're also gonna try not to fall and die. Throwing some parent shots, so I'm about to give a subscriber a free disc mid-round as long as he goes and gets it.
He doesn't know he's getting it yet.
He doesn't know he's getting it, so he can't just... Yeah, I'm here to, you know, lighten up the mood. Yeah, no problem. New year, new innovation from MVP. We now have the third level of gyro. 3 rings. The dentist ring here on the inside really lets it hold a line for a long time. Actually, in about a month, it'll be available to the upper part of the United States. Nate, are you enjoying yourself?
No, actually, I am.
You took so seriously. Your twig just thrown everything.
It's not all bad.
No,
It's definitely a trying experience, but it's for a good cause. And I mean, both of us, I don't know, we have like 8 or 9 wins between us in this tournament. Oh, yeah. We can afford to let the Relfords play in nice conditions before us and win. I have confirmation. Nick said he played 4 holes while it started snowing. They are good. They're good for sure. It's been the Nate show the last few holes because I'm slipping all over the place.